With the Galaxy S24 series set to ship in January 2024, it's hardly surprising that speculations and leaks are already circulating. These devices have recently begun to surface often on testing services like as Geekbench, providing us with a sneak peek at the projected performance of this range. Geekbench now shows Korean versions of the vanilla S24 and Ultra variants. We've known for a while that the S24 Ultra would most likely be powered only by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The vanilla variants will be powered by the Exynos 2400 in countries other than the United States, Canada, Korea, China, and Japan. In previous years, Exynos chips have routinely outperformed Snapdragon chips in benchmark tests, but with 2 years of development, there is anticipation that the Exynos 2400 will be a return to form. Meanwhile, let us discuss the Geekbench listing. S24 has a single-core score of 2051 and a multi-core score of 6204. Furthermore, it seems that the S24 will come with 8GB of RAM in addition to its Exynos 2400 CPU. On the other hand, the Ultra is powered by an 8 Generation 3 processor. This one scored 2214 on the single-core and 6744 on the multi-core. It's hardly surprising that it has 12GB of RAM. We've already covered how these findings show that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 delivers a clock speed for both CPU and GPU that is 100 MHz quicker than what other manufacturers utilize as their chipset in Galaxy devices. These figures, however, do not provide insight into the performance of Samsung's next-generation flagship series. We'll need to get our hands on these devices ourselves to really judge their potential. Given the increases in CPU and GPU capacity provided by these chipsets, it is fair to anticipate that these new phones will greatly outperform their predecessors while also offering greater AI capability. Although this may disappoint fans, Samsung might employ both Exynos and Snapdragon chips in the basic and Plus versions, while utilizing just Snapdragon in the Ultra variant. This strategy finds a balance by keeping Samsung's cooperation with Qualcomm while also returning Exynos chips to the market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.